Welcome back to Keys by GM Financial. I'm Marion, and each week on Keys, we're bringing you personal financial tips to help you unlock your financial future. Are bad budgeting habits clinging to your finances like a doomed relationship? Listen, no amount of flowers, chocolate, or boombox serenades can mend your broken bank account. So it might be time to kick them to the curb. These classic breakup lines might help you part ways with the bad budgeting habits that are hardest to break. We've just grown apart. Budgets, like people, change, and it's important to confront those changes head on. Make time to review your budget frequently to ensure the savings, spending, and bills you're budgeting for make sense for your lifestyle for today and the future. If you notice that your budget from college isn't working anymore, it might be time to transition from pizza money to saving for your kids' college education. If you need a fresh start, download our budgeting worksheet to get started. Can we still be friends? So you started out strong a few months back, but now it's just not working. A budget, like a relationship, is a work in progress and can be adjusted with your bills, spending habits, and income. Don't give up when things aren't 100% perfect the first time. Stay amicable and reconfigure your budget until it works for you. It's not you, it's me. If you find yourself consistently overspending, not meeting goals, or missing important bills, it may be time to admit you might be the problem. Try a 7-day budget cleanse by tracking each and every item you spend money on. Examine your real spending habits and see where you can make some changes for improved financial success. I'm ready for something a little bit more serious. After you've had a successful run with your budget, you may be ready to set up a serious budget for long-term success. Consider restructuring your budget to help reach long-term goals like saving for a dream vacation or putting a down payment toward buying a house. I'm just not that into you. Know what you want, but your current budget isn't it? Get inspired to budget successfully by finding something that drives you to save with these tips. Reach your goals faster with these 8 hacks for financial achievement. Build or boost your emergency fund. Make extra cash, such as your tax refund, work harder for you and your budget. Contrary to popular belief, breakups don't always have to be bad. Sometimes breaking up with your budget is the fresh start you need. Check back next time for more keys. And don't forget to subscribe to get notified of new videos to help you unlock your financial future.